Welcome to this week's episode of Whatcha Know Wednesday. Today we're going to explore how to hook up the Bluetooth speaker used in the Delta travel trailer. To get started, the first thing you're going to do is go to your app store, key in IRV audio. Make sure you get the audio because there is another app that's going to look very similar. Once you find the app, download it to your phone. Now with the app downloaded, open up the app and hit the search button at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do that, it is going to search and it's going to find the Bluetooth speaker in the Delta. Select that. It's going to ask for a PIN code. The default PIN is 8888. Just type that in. Enter. Now you're connected. At the bottom you have Bluetooth, auxiliary, or you can switch between different accounts. Now that you've done that, on to the next step. Go to the settings on your phone. Under Bluetooth, you're going to search for IRV, and there it is. Select that. You're going to be asked to enter the PIN again, which is 8888. Hit pair. You're actually going to hear a pleasant little beep from the speaker, and now you're all set. Go to your favorite music station or streaming session, and you're ready to go. So now you know.